Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to create a new inventory item in the staff portal. It's simple. To begin, go to the navigation menu and select Facilities and then Inventory. Next, click on the Create New Inventory button. Now fill out the Inventory Details form. Start by selecting a category from the category list and select from this drop-down the inventory name. Enter the description of the item here in the Inventory Details field. Choose the appropriate inventory type from the drop-down menu. For additional details, specify who the inventory is suitable for. If needed, enter the inventory price in the designated field. You can also attach images. Simply use the Choose or Drag and Drop Image section to upload images relevant to your inventory item. Once all the details are entered accurately, click Create Inventory to save your new inventory item in the system. After creating your item, you can view it here in the inventory list. And that's it. You've successfully created a new inventory item in the staff portal. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.